Hi, Frank Rose here from MarineMax Danvers, just north of Boston, with Boston Whaler's brand new 2019 190 Montauk. This boat here is done in blue. There are several colors, combinations that you can choose from that are options. This has the stainless steel inserted on the rub rail here. As we come around, let me show you the rest of it. This boat is powered by a 150 Mercury FourStroke. We have a stainless steel boarding ladder here in the back with stainless steel grab rail. Come on board. Now this boat is equipped with the optional tow package for pulling any tubers, water skiers, scurfers, anything like that. You come up forward here, you have two jump seats, one on each side. They have removable backrests in the back, which can also be used as rod holders. There are drink holders in the back, your gas fill. You have your pilot seat here, reversible back that has 4 different positions that you can set it in. There is storage underneath here as well. Come forward here to the dash. At the helm area, we have VHF radio. This also has a Bluetooth stereo. All your switches at eye level, gauges, Marine GPS and fish finder. You have a spot here if you want to add a nav chip to your GPS. Your anchor light, compass directly in front of the pilot. You have a stainless steel grab rail around the top of the console. Now this boat has the optional Bimini top. It can also come with an optional T-top, whatever is your preference. As you come forward, you have a Yeti cooler seat here with a back, 4 more extra rod holders. Full bow area, very large bow area. You can use this for lounging. There are drink holders here. Pull the pads out. It makes for a great non-skidded casting deck if you are fishing. This is all storage underneath. And separate storage forward of this for your anchor locker. Then you have your bow rails, side high rails, front chuck, and bow light. And that's the new 2019 190 Montauk. If you're interested in one of these, please come and see me. Frank Rose, MarineMax Danvers, phone number 781-716-2475. Thank you very much for your time.